Before I go on to talk BBA colleges in Kolkata, let me tell you, BBA has now become a most sought after career among young students, and you can pursue BBA even if you are a science background student or commerce background student or humanity background student. So today I'll talk about a college which is ranked one of the top BBA colleges in Kolkata. You guessed it right. Today I'm talking about JD Birla College. JD Birla College is located in Minto Park, centrally in Kolkata, well connected to different parts in Kolkata. JD Birla College is affiliated with Jadavpur University. JD Birla College is NAC accredited. JD Birla College is offering 3 years full-time regular BBA course. If you want to apply to JD Birla, you can do so by visiting their website. They are having online application after publication of your 10 plus 2 results. So today in this video, I'll talk about JD Birla College. I'll talk about their BBA courses. I'll talk about the ranking, the facilities, the infrastructure, and also their eligibility criteria. So watch this video till the end. After watching the video, if you have any queries regarding JD Birla College Kolkata or BBA course or any other career related choices, you can connect with us on the phone number right now shown on the screen. You can put your query in the comment box. You can let us know your query through WhatsApp.
The next college we will discuss is JD Birla Institute, in short JDBI. JDBI was established in the year 1962. The campus is located near Minto Park in the heart of the city of Calcutta. JD Birla Institute is affiliated to Jadavpur University, a world-renowned center of excellence. In acknowledgement of JD Birla Institute's continuous quest for excellence and the exemplary standards it has set and maintained through the decade, in 2010, JD Birla was awarded the highest possible grading of A by NAC. The Department of Management's flagship BBA program has been ranked first in Eastern India and fourth nationally by India Today AC Nielsen Survey 2017. JD Birla Institute has an impressive campus to facilitate effective learning for BBA students. The spacious soundproofed air-conditioned classrooms are equipped with multimedia and audiovisual equipment, LCD projectors, and promote maximum interaction between faculty and the students. The Learning Resource Center at JDBI, with a very impressive collection of reference books, journals, magazines, newspapers, help the students to acquire more knowledge. There is state-of-the-art computer labs with LAN connectivity and 24-hour internet access, and there is 150-seater seminar hall, and there is also common students recreational area, playground for indoor and outdoor games, and the campus is completely safe and secure. The BBA program at JD Birla Institute is of 3 years regular program divided into 6 semesters. There will be 4 weeks of internship training in the final year of BBA. It is the most significant aspect of BBA course at JD Birla. Students undergo training at various organizations within and outside the city of Kolkata to gain practical experience. The final year BBA students at JD Birla Institute have got placement in Deloitte Consulting, Tata Consultancy Services, ITC Hotels, Wipro and Godrej. Candidates having good knowledge of English language are eligible for admission. The candidate must complete 10 plus 2 examinations securing at least 50% marks in the aggregate from any recognized board or council approved by Jadavpur University with 4 recognized subjects of which at least 1 must be English. The course fee for 3 years BBA course at JD Birla Institute is around 4,23,000.
If you have any queries regarding JD Birla College Kolkata or BBA course or any other career related choices, you can connect with us on the phone number right now shown on the screen. You can put your query in the comment box. You can let us know your query through WhatsApp.